From the 7th of the 5th month of 1446. Are you a witch, or will you lose your eye due to some trespass? Not quite in a cinch, but we can clear the causes of being nauseous. Dragons and other demons may be near, but our concern is not the diversion of elves. Fire leads the needed change for us. Do you identify with the richness or the thickness? This is entitled Blewit Mushroom, and particularly when it comes to the raw mushroom, there are some non-universal effects of it, and I am not here to make medical claims, as this is not a medical channel, and social media apparently isn't something for that, no matter how backed some of those claims may be. But one of the things about mythological claims is that mythological claims don't have to be any different than the physical claims, except that it connects to the spiritual dimension. So here on this channel, we're not asking you to conflict with objective reality.